Hi, good morning, dear students. Hope all of you are doing good. Now, in this video, you will learn how we can set up the Drupal CMS. First of all, just need to visit the official website, that is the drupal.org. And here you can download, or even you can just download the any particular version of the website. Right? Even if you want to, Drupal 10 is the, if I have already downloaded this video, and so you can just download it from the here, the download dot gz, or download zip folder here. Right. If you want to the another version of the, you can write down the any particular version. Download Drupal 9.4.8, and simply you can download from here. You can just click on the download zip, and I have downloaded this folder, and unzip this folder and put inside the htdocs folder. So I'm using the Drupal 9.4.8, and also I have downloaded the version 10, Drupal 10. So one by one, I'm going to show you how you can install 9 and 10. For this, you just need to download and extract this folder in the htdocs. I have already put this folder here. Thereafter, what is important, you must check you have Apache and MySQL, you have started the XAMPP server. And thereafter, you just need to click on or you can just create a database. Right. So here you can write create Drupal, create database, create database, database, Drupal, Drupal 9.4, 9, Drupal 9 is already there, so we can use here Drupal 9.1. So now you see I have already Drupal 91. First need to create database. Thereafter, you just need to put the folder inside the htdocs. Now access this. I'm also just rename it to 9.4.8. This is the folder. You can just access this file. How you can access? You can just access the file localhost, and this way you can access the folder this one, right? Localhost Drupal. Now you can just access this file, and you can write. Wait for a moment. It's taking some time here, and there you can just wait for the moment. Wait, it takes a few seconds. And also you must check which version of PHP you are using. This is very important. For this, how can you check the PHP version? You must install for the Drupal 10, 8.1 and above. So how can you check the PHP version? You you can write down the PHP here, PHP file, PHP info, and this way you can check, right? And localhost here. Oh, test. So now I'm using the 8.1.12. So PHP function. I'm by using the PHP info, you can check the which version of PHP. Or also there is another way. So now you can. I have just this. When you access this folder, you will get this first screen. What you just need to do, click on the choose language here. I'm using the English, so just need to save and continue. And next, install a standard. Select the installation profile. We're going to use the standard with the commonly used feature pre-configured. Next, save and continue. And this way you can database name, right? So first you don't need to change anything. Database name, I have what I have created. Now that is the you can database name. You have to use this database with whatever you have created. So I'm going to use the Drupal, whatever I have created, that is the Drupal 91. Write down the name of the Drupal 91. Username, that is the root, and the password you can just leave. Don't have any password. Advanced section, we don't need to change anything. Host, that is the local host. Port, that is the 3306, and the table name prefix you can keep or you can just leave it. Uh, so now save and continue. Click on save and continue. Will take a few seconds, and database is taking time. This is the port number is that is the 3306 is the default, and the installation process is now initialized. Initializing install path. It hardly take a few seconds to complete the installation process, and thereafter just need to write down the site informations, and you can just change the site information later also in the admin section by using this feature, right? So setup take a few seconds, and this way once you install this Drupal software, you will get the two section, that is the admin section as well as the user section, right? So you can do all the modification, you can manage the stuff contains inside the admin section, where you can upload, can even the edit the content, upload audio, video, right? So this is a very simple process. Hardly it takes you to 2 to 5 minutes to install the Drupal CMS. You can download it from the official website, that is the drupal.org. Right? And only it takes time. And once you complete the configure site, thereafter you will get the admin section as well as the user section, right? And what are the requirements, sister requirement for this? You must update your server. So requirement, that is for the Drupal 10, that is the 8.1 and above, right? Only installing Drupal links, and you must remember the password, whatever you have set, the username and password. You just now the last section, configure site. 25%, 26% showing the completion of the module. And you can see here the completed 35 of the 30 installed path module and 2% completed. Only few seconds left to complete. Now you can see the completed 38 of 38, 100% completed. And thereafter, we just need to set up the configuration of the site, name, email, username, password. And only these things you just need to waiting for the local host. Now you can just enter the site name here. Uh, for this name, I am just going to write down the name of the website. That is the whatever the site news. Sorry, you can just change it later also. So that is the CIMAGE blog. I am just going to give him name CIMAGE blog. Site email address. I'm going to use the our PHP world as the email ID. Username. I'm just giving is CIMAGE, and password. That is the you can just keep it. At the rate 12344, and this way you can just make it your country name. You can just need to select here, right? And this way you can default time zone. You can just UTI is the default time zone, UT, and thereafter you can just save and continue, right? this is the process. After that, you must remember the password for the letter use. Password strength we have taken time to just. So this is the final process. Once you have updated the email address, site name, username, and the password, all these things can be changed later. We can update it from the admin section later also, right? And this is the final step where you will just get the username and the password. It takes hardly few seconds to configure the site. Now you can see the user section here updated. And simply, it is better to just open this site in a two different browser so that you can open one user section and one admin section. That will be easier to understand. And now here you can see the admin section, all these managed content from here, the admin, and even you can check the all these. Yeah, right. So content here we can use a different tag. We will discuss more. Yeah. So now Drupal is set up now, our local host, and further we will see the do the modification and set up the website. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you. Bye for now. See you.